Alright, here's what you need to do to get to your lab and so you can start doing these assignments and get your grade up. You're going to come up here and start with 3-1. Okay, 3-1, and you'll keep following these errors and doing, like this one's got a video, you'll watch the video all the way through and then you'll click on the next button. This one's got quite a few videos. Not all of them are like this, but this first one is. Play the video. Go to the next. Play this video. Go to the next. Keep going to the next. A lot of videos. Okay. Then you'll come to a some sort of help screen. This one in particular is showing you the different ribbons and what all the different things are, and you can read descriptions down here. You'll go to the next. This one explains the difference between desktop versus web applications. Here's the lab. This is what I need to get a grade from you on. Okay, this is very important. You click on Start Lab. If you've already done some of it, this comes up. I've already done some of it, so it's asking you, do you want to start at the beginning or do you want to go on to the things that you have left? I'm going to click Start. So what's going to come up is some sort of tasks. There's usually 10 tasks that you have to do, and as you complete them, they'll tell you right away whether you did them or not. So this one says save the current document as a plain text file named resume in the documents folder. So I know how to do this. I click File, Save As, I browse. I'm in the documents folder. I can already see it up here, but if you feel like you need to click on documents, you can. It's already named resume, so I just need to save it as a text file. I click OK on this one, and it says, good job, task completed, continue to next tab. You won't get this box come up until you've done it right. So if this box isn't coming up, you're not doing it right. Okay. Next. This one wants you to save the current document into your documents folder within your Microsoft OneDrive account. Let's say I don't know how to do this and I need a hint. Okay, I get this hint up here and it says select the File tab. On the left side of the column, click Save As. Then it says to select the OneDrive. And then it says to select Documents. And then it says to click Save. It tells me this time that I've completed my task, but we'll have to try it again without help. So this is going to add that on to the end, so I'm probably going to have to do it again. Alright, let's say I'm trying to do this one and I don't know how to do it. I click on the hint. I still can't really figure out how to do it. I can click on Show Me.
To open a recently downloaded file, go to the File tab. On the left side of the window, select Open, then click Browse. Select the Downloads folder from the left side of this dialog box. Select the flyer.docx file and click Open. To enable the document for editing, click Enable Editing inside the yellow bar at the top of the document.
Alright, so that told me exactly how to do it. So now I can say File, Open, Browse, Downloads, Flyer, and Enable Editing. But again, it tells me task completed, but they're going to make me do it again without help at the end. Okay, and it tells you how many tasks you have remaining. These are the things that you have to have for a grade. I need you to look at the videos and all those other things that I showed you in the beginning, because those will help you learn how to do the stuff in the lab. The lab is what's going to help me grade you for how much you've learned those skills. So you are way behind right now. You have like maybe a 15 in my class right now, so you need to get busy.